Project Most for over 20 years has been running 2 after-school programs, one at John Marshall Elementary, one at Spring School. We also, for 11 years, have run a summer program. The focus of the summer program is getting kids into the cultural and natural environment of the East End.
Paul is a big fan of all of the counselors.
I love Project Most.
I'm very thankful for Project Most because my kids have fun here.
Both my son and my daughter go to the after-school program. It's been wonderful.
The staff is great. It's a great environment for all the kids to come in, definitely, for sure. It's a help of all the parents, absolutely.
That helped me to work like a full time. He had so much fun.
Henry, do you like Project Most? Yeah? Why?
Because it's fun.
Yeah.
My wife and I absolutely love it. It's such a blessing for us to know that he's safe and happy.
To know that there was some place that wasn't just a safe place for him, but actually an enriching, useful place for him to be was great. And now this is his second year doing camp as a counselor.
I feel like it's better to have counselors that experienced it because we actually know how it goes.
We try to do everything we can to help the community the best that we can. Not only here, Springs, but John Marshall School and the neighborhood house.
We also run community programming at the neighborhood house, and that opened in February 2020.
I'm Rebecca Morgan-Taylor, the Executive Director of Project Most. We've created a balance between educational programs and fun. Arts and culture is part of our programming focus, and we feel that it's important for the children to see what's locally here. This year, we're collaborating with Guildhall, the Golden Eagle, the Parish Art Museum, and the church.
It's an unusual art show. You won't see a whole lot of art shows like this.
You know, we are going to be looking at artwork that deals with lots of practices hopefully you guys have used, like beading and fabric and weaving.
Project Most has always had an organic garden and cooking program. Amber Waves does a great job, and we really wanted to partner with them.
We're gonna go harvest some things. Come follow me. This is our broccolini, and you just snap them off. So these are the scallions. So when you're done, the next step is you're gonna pull the leaves off of the kale.
All of our programs fall into 3 categories: arts and culture, STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and health and wellness, which includes everything from skateboarding to healthy cooking to yoga to gardening.
Environmental education programs are a big component of our summer program.
I'm Jacqueline, and we're on a nature hike at Two Holes of Water Park. We've been studying local birds recently and some of the leaves and the trees in the area. So we're just observing nature.
We are going to do a little doodle of this landscape. And we're gonna paint it in the classroom, but we're gonna put our sketch down today.
Hi, I'm John McGovern. I'm president of the board of Project Most. We at Project Most take care of hundreds of children after school, so we have a unique responsibility to enrich their lives and to put them on the right path to adulthood.
This was my first job when I was a high schooler. Now in September, I'll actually be teaching at John Marshall. I don't think that I would have gotten this far if it weren't for the help of Project Most.
Project Most is at an incredible inflection point now. We have had a donation from an anonymous donor of a 10,000 square foot home that will become the new home of Project Most.
I'm overjoyed by this donation and the redesign of a residential home becoming the permanent home of Project Most. This project brings us closer to achieving long-term sustainability for our programs and families. As teachers, our mission is to spark curiosity through the joy of learning, foster independence, and build community. We do this through after-school, summer, and community enrichment programs. Everyone is welcome. Our vision for Project Most is to become the leading learning center on the East End and valued partner in the community. We will achieve this vision through our first-rate programming and through being responsive to our community needs. We are committed to constantly reassessing and evaluating our programs to stay vibrant and relevant. We are committed to a well-rounded curriculum that enhances what children learn during the school day. And we are committed to equity in access to these opportunities. Project Most has grown from a 10-month after-school program to a year-long learning center. A permanent home where we can increase our reach in the community is truly a dream come true. Thank you.
And we need your help. We'd like you to become major stakeholders and help us turn this dream into a reality. Thank you.